Okay guys, welcome back, and today we are going to look how to refine edge and make better selections. So what I've done here, I've taken the pen tool and I've drawn a path around the subject. Right, you can see how the areas that I chose to cut off and are here, and how clean the lines looked. Now what I'm going to do is just show you how the selection looks with a normal mask. So I've gone to path and I'm control click on the path to get the selection, and I'm now going to hit mask. Now you can see the mask here, and yeah, it's a nice selection. There is some shadowing happening here that is from the original picture, so it looks, well, it doesn't look good. And here it's a little clean cut, right? So we're gonna fix that now. So I'm just gonna delete this mask and I'm gonna go back and select the path. So with the background copy selected, I'm going to select, and I'm not going to modify, I'm going to select and mask. So with select and mask selected, you could see what happens. So with these sliders you could change the radius and you could see what is going on. But what I like to do is I like to show edge, just to show you exactly where the selection is and how it works. So you could just increase the transparency here. So what I'm going to do is increase the radius a little bit, so that way we could get the bits of hair in, right? And we could smooth it a little bit, feather about, and contrast. Turn up the contrast and shift edge a little in, because we're going to try to compensate for this darkness on the shoulders here, but it may not work totally, but it will help. So let's hit OK, and we have the selection here, and let's mask it now and see what result we get. So now we get a better result with a hairline, you can see that, and with her jacket, oh sorry, not a jacket, her top, right? So we have a little brown going on here, but that could fix. So there you have it, how to make a nice selection by using select, sorry, select and mask. So now we could go in now and modify this photo however we want. And this is really a technique used to really make clean selections, better selections than the lasso tools or even the marquee tools. So please keep that in mind moving forward, that you can use the pen tool to make better selections, and in combination with select and mask you could obviously play around with those settings to get your desired results. So you can increase the feather to get more of a halo effect on the edges here, but you want something subtle for cleanliness, so it'll look natural with whatever background you put her on, right? So that's it for this session. I'll see you in the next one.